Like Jerry Mathers on the side.
Oh, it's all under there. Look at that.
Yeah.
This leaked on the alternator and destroyed it. Oh, look at that. Made it what? Stop charging?
Yep.
Why are you doing this the hard way?
What's the hard way?
The alternator.
How's it the hard way?
The recalls, we usually take them out the bottom, no?
Sure, I don't.
Oh, you don't do that? Oh, you gonna fight with that fan. You just lower it.
Just lower it out of the way.
Oh,
You fighting?
I thought you finna come out with it. Ah, the catch can leaked on top of the alternator and destroyed it. Oh no. What kind of alternator you get? Is it a Mopar no car? We don't do Derman alternators. We don't do Dermans, yes. Oh, you already got it on? Oh, this is the new one. This the new one? Why it look like this? Mopar, baby. Yeah, we don't do Derman alternators over here. So why don't you just clean it out? You gonna hide mask the problem? Or did y'all fix the leak?
That's his problem. It's aftermarket.
No, but I'm saying fix the leak because you're gonna destroy the new alternator. These rookies. Joe, so it stopped charging because oil leaked on the what?
On all